If OneDrive is showing error 93, don't worry. This is usually caused by corrupted sign-in data, sync problems, or damaged app settings. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. We'll go through the safest and most effective methods, starting with the simplest one first, so you can get OneDrive working again without wasting time. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, try restarting your computer. This sounds basic, but it often clears temporary glitches that can stop OneDrive from launching properly. Save any work you have open, click the Start menu, select Power, and then choose Restart. Once your computer is back on, open OneDrive again and check whether the error is gone. If it still appears, move on to the next method. Now let's reset OneDrive. This can fix broken settings or a failed startup process. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. In the field, type C:\Program Files \Microsoft OneDrive \OneDrive.exe. Then add a space and type /reset. After that, press Enter. You may not see much happen right away, so wait about 2 minutes. Then open OneDrive from the Start menu and see if it starts normally. If OneDrive does not reopen automatically, opening it manually usually brings it back. If the error is still there, the next step is clearing cached credentials. Sometimes Windows stores old login information that prevents OneDrive from signing in correctly. Press Windows plus S and type Credential Manager. Open Credential Manager, then click Windows Credentials. Look for any entries related to OneDrive, Microsoft Office, or Microsoft Account. Remove those entries carefully, then restart your computer. After the restart, sign in to OneDrive again and check if the error is fixed. This step is especially useful if you recently changed your password or switched accounts. Another fix is signing out and signing back in from OneDrive itself. Click the OneDrive Cloud icon in the system tray, then click the gear icon and open Settings. Go to the Account tab and choose Unlink this PC. This will disconnect the current OneDrive session without deleting your files. After that, open OneDrive again from the Start menu and sign in with your Microsoft account. A fresh sign-in can clear sync problems and repair account connection issues that trigger error 93. If OneDrive still won't work, check for updates. An outdated version of OneDrive can cause bugs and compatibility issues. Open OneDrive, click the gear icon, and look for an option to check for updates. If an update is available, install it right away, then restart OneDrive once the update finishes. Keeping OneDrive updated helps prevent errors and improve stability. At this point, if you've tried every method and the error is still showing, you may also want to double-check your internet connection. Make sure Windows is up to date, and verify that your Microsoft account is working properly. Sometimes a simple network or account issue can cause OneDrive to fail during startup. So to quickly recap, the best ways to fix OneDrive error 93 are restarting your PC, resetting OneDrive, clearing cached credentials, unlinking and signing back in, and updating the app. In most cases, one of those steps will solve the problem. If this tutorial helped you fix OneDrive error 93, please give the video a like and subscribe for more step-by-step Windows tutorials. And if you still have questions, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching.